everyone, welcome to my channel Delicious Recipes from Olga. Today we are going to make barbecue chicken legs. We have to wash chicken legs. We have to salt it very well. We need some garlic. Take 4 or 5 pieces. Squeeze the garlic. Okay, next, a teaspoon of mustard and mix it very well. Now we need some spices, pepper and paprika, some cumin and sugar. Wow! You can add some spicy pepper at your wish. Mix it very well all together by hands. Grease the deca with oil. Put the chicken in. Bake it for 20 minutes. Preheat the oven 200 Celsius degrees. Till our chicken in the oven, let's make a barbecue sauce. You can use any ketchup you want to. Take a small pan and put it in. Just a little bit of water, some salt and sugar, soy sauce and vinegar, butter and spices, paprika and pepper. We need the orange juice. We have to boil it for 15 minutes. Our chicken is ready. Let's cover with toast. Do it like me. Oh, wow! Bake it for 5 more minutes. Sprinkle some sesame and green onions. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Sauce is very delicious. Chicken is very juicy and delicious. Cook it by all means. Bon appetit! Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!